What's up, guys? For almost a year now, a federal moratorium on evictions, which was something that paused evictions, allowed tenants who suffer economic losses during the pandemic to stay in their homes. Now that the moratorium is scheduled to expire, and we're talking about soon, more than 3.6 million Americans are now at risk of eviction, being thrown out of their homes. And sadly, many of these tenants are packing up, facing an uncertain future. In this video today, I'm going to give you 5 solutions if you cannot pay your rent. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Josh and I upload videos every week about all things related to your finances. So if you care about your financial future and you care about your money, go ahead and obliterate that like button and also click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. Now, I know it can be demoralizing to be behind on rent, especially on top of every other challenge that the pandemic brings. If you think that you can't pay your rent for the upcoming month, the first thing that you should do is talk to your landlord, and it's better sooner than later. Even if you have not been paying your rent payments for months, coming up with a fair agreement with your landlord can help you alleviate some of that financial stress. However, that was just a bonus, but here are 5 things that you can do if you can't pay your rent. First, seek housing assistance. Look into local housing assistance or eviction prevention programs for emergency funding to help you stay in your home. The United Way's 211 network is a great resource that will connect you to resources in your community. And with that, I'm going to leave a link down below, and that way you can get more information more specific to your area. Number 2, you can consider getting a roommate. If you can find a good roommate, then you can go back and split the housing expenses in order to lower your financial obligation. But just make sure that you properly vet your potential roommate. And yes, we're even talking about vetting your cousin, if it's a co-worker, if it's Pookie and them. No matter how close you are to that person, living together and sharing financial obligations is a whole different ball game, and you don't want to be stuck holding the short end of the stick. You don't want them to stop paying. Now you're on the hook for all of the unpaid money that y'all agreed on. If you decide to go this route, that your landlord approves of the new tenant as well. Number 3, consider getting a job. And there is no better time to get hired with a company. There are a lot of companies out there that's looking for workers, especially whenever we're going through a worker shortage and a hiring shortage. But this is a great way that you can make some quick money. Many fast food chains out there and companies, they're even offering next day or even same day pay. So this can allow you to stack up money quickly in order to apply to your rent payment. Number 4, consider a side hustle. I get it if you don't want to go back into a physical place to go work at a location due to the pandemic or other medical concerns. That's whenever you can start looking at side hustles. For example, if you decide to go like with a ride sharing side hustle, these jobs are one of the only few jobs that you can do anytime, anywhere. Is flexible on your schedule. Nowadays, you can drive with Uber Eats, and many restaurants, they have contactless pickups, and you can drop off the delivery on someone's porch. I have Uber entire days and had no interaction with anyone. And the potential earning, if you would say go with Uber Eats, is between $15 and $35 per hour. If you sign up for Uber, I have a link down below where you can receive an additional bonus for completing your first few trips. Or coming in at number 5, you can sell something. You can make extra money by selling unwanted items that you may have laying around your home or in your garage. Then you can put that money towards your upcoming rent. You can even make sales while practicing social distance at the same time. Or you can even use sites like Facebook Marketplace or even eBay. And check out the top video right over there where I walk you step by step on how you can set up your eBay account, and I show you how to list your first item as well on eBay. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next video.